Okay, for this video, we're going to assemble some stuff that we got that I showed off in mail call. I'm going to begin with this guy right here. Doing, doing, doing. Doing, 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 doing. Cardboard. So, let's see. Like so. Like so. We're going to need a screwdriver. So, let's see. They would have us put it something like that. Okay. So undo the screws. Like so. Do the other one. Powder coat. Makes screws a little tough. Okay. So. Like so. Then like so. Like so. There we go. Snug it up tight. And do the other one. A little bit like that. And the last screw here. One with a bit of paint in it. There we go. Tight. Tight. Okay, so. And then this goes in here. That goes in there. Like so. Pretend this is a board. Let's see. Tighten that. Tighten that. Oh, not bad. Good. Let's try this way. There we go. It's not bad. Rotate it. It does the trick. Not bad. Okay, so that can go down here till we find a new home. Now let's assemble the really assembly one. That was the easy one. Let's do the harder one. Hard is a relative thing. Okay. Okay. So first our goodies bag. There we go. So they give us a couple of spares. 4 things. Actually, this might not be as bad as I thought it would be. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There we go. So this is the bottom, this is the top. So let's do something like that. Like so. Okay. And then we have little arms. Like so. Ooh, it smells very chemically. Ding, 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 ding. Like so. And another one. Seems to be a little bit of plastic on here. A coating. Didn't see it on the other one. What is this stuff? Yeah, it's just the plastic. Well, let's see what happens. It seems that when they made the bolt, they overdid it on the plastic. No, that worked. We just need to trim a little bit. Like so. There we go. Back up like so. Doink, doink, doink. That's better. There we go. And then, last but least, you know what this really is? It's a surgery table for frying ants. Oh no. Everyone's going to be shocked. I said frying ants. Yeah, right. You didn't do this as a kid. I don't know what you were doing as a kid. But the idea is that seems to be a little wobbly. Let us screw the screw in the bottom here. That's better. Much better. Yeah, actually, that's not bad. Let's put a little board in here. So, how do one of these posts work? Oh, they just unscrew. Okay. So the idea being, if we place one of these and these, sure, why not? I'll just use the top ones at the moment. There we go. Like so. Yeah, now I can see all the pins. I can see my finger. Yeah, it looks like it does the job. Again, I don't know why they give me extras of these things for. I don't know. That could be a little tighter. There we go. Well, just two alarms. Miscellaneous parts. Put it in there. I do like this concept, and I might use these posts on the other one. I like the idea of the magnet just moving around. It's easier to adjust in the screw holes. But oh no, coffee meeting without coffee. Okay, so our next assembly bit. Let's see, get rid of this. Don't think I need those. And this is just El Trasho. Is where did I put it? Oh, is our circle of lights. Now, what I can't figure out is we're going to just test for this in the moment right here. We're going to need a multimeter. And there just so happens to be one with pointy probes on it. Like so. What we want to find out is if these rows of connectors are connected. So, they aren't. Well, actually, try ground. Nope, they are not connected. So each ring seems to be separate. Yep, each ring is separate. Okay. So I could clip the rings apart and have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rings. Or for the moment, I could solder some of these rings together. Let's just wire one ring up for the moment, just for the hell of it. So, I mean, according to this, on this side, I think, where was it? I saw that. There were some words on here. Where did I see that? Ah, here they are. 60, 48, to 108, 148, 150, 60, 70, 180, 204, 204, 220, 232, 240, 245 LEDs on here in this circle. Okay, so what we want to do first is I'm going to need some key. And in this case, I just need my stand so I can see what I'm doing. And I have some solder here. And what we're going to do is just pre-prep the pads here. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to need some wiring for this. Now, we're going to make it pins, or we're going to make it... Well, we do have our big crimp connectors. What shall we put on here? And we do have the little guys. But we have a tendency to be plugging these into breadboards. So I have a lot of this. And what we can do with this, so we have to come up with 3 connectors technically. So, and they are ground 5 volts and DN. Okay, so, and we need a little, oh, we do have it out here. Okay, so take this and we will cut this off. And oops. There we go. So we were doing 22s. Okay. Okay, so let's tin these. And this is where capture guy goes over here. This thing will help us. There we go. So 3 wires, we need to tin them. Tinning is the process of putting some solder on a wire. There, like so. Just enough to seal it off. There we go. Now, let's put this down before we hurt ourselves. A sec, I need my glasses. I can't see anything over there. This is the trash can. This is an extra bag. This can go up here. These can go over here. These can go over here. The extra mouse can go over there. And put this over here. Might need it again. Okay, so flip it around. We've got ground, 5 volts, and data in. Okay. So we're going to add there's our ground. Bend that down a little bit so it actually gets to the pad. The only problem soldering these is such a heat sink into these boards that sometimes it takes a lot of heat to melt. There we go. Yeah, so. Whoa, what just happened? That's funky. That's why we're getting cold. I hope my soldering station isn't dying. That would be annoying. To invest in a new one. Now I have to wait till it heats up again. Screwdriver can go in the drawer. There we go. Now let's try this again. Okay. We now have voltage, ground, and data in. So we need a board. I'll just take this off. So voltage and ground at 5 volts. Five volts is there. And ground is here. And heal a little bit. And I don't know, D10 or D6. I think it's D6. Like so. Okay, so we've got our thing wired up. Let's turn this puppy around, basically. Okay. I have Visual Studio Code open. So, first of all, we plug it in. Maybe we don't drop things on the floor. There we go. That's trash. Okay, so plug it in. Well, we do have light. Okay, so we need to change the code a little bit because the outer ring was 60. Okay, 60. So open the workspace. Open workspace. Oh, no, 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 no. We have to mount the drive first. Doink. There we go. Now open the workspace. There's CircuitPy. Open. So we changed the number up here to 60. There we go. One whole ring. And let's turn this light off so maybe we can get a less. There we go. One whole ring. So we can see actually this test program, it leads to this being more nicer than this grid. Because it is technically circular in nature, the program. Okay, well, lights back on. So that works. So really what we had to do now is if we want to use all the rings in this matrix as is, we'd have to join all these together. Except for the outs and the ends, they have to cascade. So this D out here would go to this D in here. So we have to go like that, that one there, to that one there, and then that one there, to that one, doing the staircase effect. But the 5 volts and stuff, I almost need a bare copper wire that I can solder right down the thing as like a big bus. I wonder if I can do that. What do I have? I have wire stranded. I thought I had third box. Where is the third box? One with the solid in it. I have a lot of stranded wire. I almost need a piece of networking cable. You know, some Cat 6 cable or something like that was for the wall. Then I can get a strip of stranded out of it. Because I don't remember where I put the box, the third box. Right? And this is too long for some scrap leads from like resistors or something like that to use. That won't work. Yeah, I'll have to think about this. But it does work. Okay. Hmm. So, now another, as I said, another project I was looking at was to do that EEPROM programmer. So, first of all, let's just close this workspace off. Here. Close the workspace off. Like so. And we go like this. And we say here. And we say safely remove. There we go. So this can go back. Did I toss that box? No, I didn't. Here we go. So we'll just put this back in here to keep it safe. And that can go over there. And I was going to, yeah. Let's see. Let's go over to web searching. And of course, Mr. Web searching is Chrome 1 doesn't know what it's doing, of course. There we go. So what I was looking at, and actually I was going to do something else. We don't need the extra cam for web searching. Go away. This. What was it? Window projector preview? No, not that one. No, not that one. Face cam. There we go. Whoops. Didn't say that. Uh-oh. What did I just do?